Janelle here with Sheep Hill Herbs. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to another video. Let's take a deep breath. Hand on your heart. Let it out. You might need a couple. So let's meet together in this space in a place of peace, relaxation. Today's video is rather short, and I want to kind of spell out some options for you if you are wanting to learn more about herbs. So before we get started, please like, subscribe, hit the bell button, comment, and check my description down below. I have my link wall, which has all my other links. I've concentrated it into one space so you can go there and click on anything I have, which is a growing list of many things, and sometimes I will refer to a specific thing in there that you might want to click on to find more help, more information. So this is an educational channel. I show some how-tos and I give little lessons, little descriptions in the breadth of herbal or artistic avenue, because it can go so deep and so much fuller. So let's say you came to this channel and you want to know more. And so I want to share with you what that more, or how you can find more information. So let's say you have you want direction, and you're perhaps interested in becoming an herbalist. So I have been studying herbs for 20 years. I've done a number of programs for certification. If you just want to sit down and talk with me via Zoom or via a phone call, we can talk and I can give you my experience as to what programs I think are good and lead you into maybe making a clear decision on how you want to pursue your own herbalism. So that would be an appointment, sort of like a consultation that isn't about your health, but is about, like, I would like to know more about this program, or I would like to know more about becoming an herbalist. I do not offer my own full program. I recommend Rosemary Gladstar's The Science and Art of Herbalism, and also Dr. Christopher's The School of Natural Healing. So I can talk with you and give you more information. So that is not a free appointment. It would be a sort of like a coaching call, a clarity call, so that you can really get clear on what you want to do as an herbalist. Okay, 2, if you have found this channel and you want to help yourself and you want to learn more on making tinctures and teas and other remedies, but you do not want to join a program at this point, you just want to make something or make some things, and you would like guidance. So I can do a, basically it would be like a class or a lesson. It would be a private lesson. So that would be another scheduled appointment with me that I can guide you step by step, answer your questions. You're trying to figure out, like, I don't know how to measure or weigh things. I do go kind of quick in some of my videos, and they're not super in-depth as a course would be, but I can teach you one-on-one, and so I can schedule that with you. And then thirdly, I can, so you came to this channel and you have questions about herbs that you want to incorporate so that you can make some energetic changes and improvements in your health. and you need some guidance. So this would be a consultation where I would consult with you and you would tell me what specifically, or maybe there's a few things that you would like to improve, and then we would have a consultation via, in that case, I really would prefer Zoom versus the phone. And of course, if you are local to my area in Eastern Pennsylvania, we can meet one-on-one, but preferably I would do Zoom call, and we would start to talk about, we'd have a conversation about what you need. So you might have a digestive area that you want to start with. Well, the funny thing is you might actually need to start with your nervous system if you're working with your digestion. You might need to make some dietary shifts. So sometimes people kind of like, well, I know I have a digestive issue. I heard this works, so I want to try that. And it might not be the best place to start. So I can help you and work with you to get you on a path and then see some upward changes, because I've had training and also so much time working with the plants and working with other people. So all three of those ways of getting more information, you can message me. You can message me a couple ways. You can go to my About page here on YouTube, and I have my email address in there. You can email me. You can go to my website, sheephillherbs.com, and you can send me a message on my contact page, and you can say specifically in the subject what you want to work with or work on, whether it's like, I really want a lesson, I just want like some coaching so I know which direction to go, or I really would like to have a consultation so that I can receive help on where to really begin like my herbal journey. So I do not offer those services for free. I can give you my prices if you message me. And I feel like they are not cheap, but they are not astronomical. They're fair. And whenever you're getting any kind of help, it's important to have an energy exchange where you're bringing something, I'm bringing something, and you will see the most results because we're both bringing this energetic change. Sometimes people send me little questions. I don't mind answering one question, just like, oh, I wanted to get this one thing. What do you recommend? Okay. And I'll do my best to answer those questions. But if you have a list of questions, if you have a whole bunch of things that you're just not sure on, then I will guide you back to scheduling one of those three kinds of appointments. And I offer packages for consultation, like a package fee. If you have a certain number of consultations, then I'll give you a discount. You pay for all the consultations that you want in that package, and then we work together. And it is always better if you work a number of weeks. I would say six weeks minimum, and that can be spread out over every other week with me. It all depends on how urgent you feel your support needs to be, and also I do recommend how often I feel like your support would be best tailored. So I hope I answered questions to anybody out there who's watching my channel and would like to know more information, more in depth, above and beyond what I just offer when I do a video. So thank you so much. Thank you for supporting this channel. Keep coming back. I'd love that. I see the growth in this channel and I want to see it grow more. Thank you, and come again.